Good morning students, welcome back to today class. Yesterday class we saw about types of irrigation, isn't it? The well irrigations and the canal irrigation and drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation. So these are the topic we were discussed about last class. I hope you all learned this topic, and today class we are going to see about important crops in Tamil Nadu. So important crops. Tamil Nadu has a different types of soils. Tamil Nadu has a different types of soil and rainfall and weather condition, and it's suitable for agriculture. So நம்மக்கிட்ட வந்து different types of வந்துட்டு மண் இருக்கு, and the proper rainfall and the proper weather conditions has in Tamil Nadu, so it is suitable for agriculture. And so what are the plant we are cultivated in Tamil Nadu அப்படின்னா வந்து like fruits, vegetables, spices, plantation crops அப்படின்னா plantation crops, flowers, medicinal, herbals. So these are the plant we are cultivated in our country. And paddy is grown in large areas because rice is the main staple food of the state. So paddy அப்படின்னா வந்து நம்ம ரைஸ் தான் வந்து paddyன்னு சொல்கிறோம், நெல் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். இதுதான் வந்து நம்ம large amount we are cultivated in large amount because so all the peoples are depending the rice. So we are spend more cultivation, we spend more cultivation on this field. And another one, the food crops. So what are the food crops we are cultivated அப்படின்னா வந்து ரைஸ், மைஸ், ஜோவர் அப்படின்னா வந்து சோளம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம், பாஜ்ரா அப்படின்னா வந்து கம்பு, ராகி, அண்ட் பல்சஸ் அப்படின்னா வந்து பருப்பு வகைகள், பெங்கால் கிராம், பிளாக் கிராம், ரெட் கிராம், so horse gram. So these are the food crops we are cultivated in our state. And cash crops அப்படின்னா வந்து we are sold this product to industries and market, like வந்து cotton, sugar, oil seeds அப்படின்னா வந்து ginger oil, sesame oil, groundnut oil, and coffee, tea, rubber, coconut, chilies. So these are called cash crops. And another one, mango, banana. So these are called leading food crops we are cultivated in Tamil Nadu. And main flower. So what are the flowers grown in Tamil Nadu அப்படின்னா வந்து jasmine மல்லிகைப்பூ, and marigold, rose. So these are the flowers also we are cultivated in our state. And next one, do you know Tanjavur is an important agriculture center in Tamil Nadu because it is nearby Kaveri Delta. It is nearby Kaveri Delta area. So this place easily get water. So the water is more important for agriculture. So the another name, Tanjavur, it's called the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu because more amount of rice producing in this place. So the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu, it's called Tanjavur. Okay. So the question will ask like this, which state is known as the rice bowl of Tamil Nadu? So Tanjavur is called rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. And important seasons, and you have to identify this question answer. So this question is different. In this question in this statement they given Tanjavur is called a rice bowl of Tamil Nadu, but this question is which state is known as the rice bowl of India. So you have to find this question and you have to find this answer. Okay, the cropping seasons in Tamil Nadu. So different types of seasons: Navarai, Kuruvai, Sonaravai, and Samba, and Kar, and Taladi. So these are the important and the cropping season in Tamil Nadu. Again I am repeating: Navarai, Kuruvai, Samba, Sornavarai, Kar, and Taladi. So these are the cropping seasons we are followed in Tamil Nadu. So dear students, learn this topic and don't forget find out this question answer. Okay, so thank you students.